This video could be a game changer for you if you want to start a new business in your life. After researching many successful businesses and startups, I found refined information of perfect and practical methods to start a successful business in your state or country. So if you're looking to start a new business, then this video is just for you. Let's come to the first most important topic, which is the idea or concept of your business. In the real world, finding a right business idea may be challenging for you, but it's not as hard as you might think. There are two basic methods to finding the right idea for your startup. First is your passion, and another option is your experience or skill. Both things require hard work and dedication towards your business. If you have passion towards something, then you can turn that into a business, or you can start working for someone else, get experience, and start your business with some innovation and your value-added services. Both options require time, dedication, and proper planning. If you want to start a business with your passion, then you need to research the current market demand and how your product or service will solve problems. If you find the problem and you have the skill or passion to solve the problem, then it's the right idea for you to start in this field. Now, it's time to move on to the next step, the market research. Market research is simple and effective methods that can help you identify value of your business idea. Start with comparing your service or product with your competitors. Focus on creating a better product or top-notch service so people can at least take an interest to test your product or service. Now, identify your targeted audience and the requirements or pain points that they are facing. You have an idea, product, or service, and you have the solution. But if you don't know what your customer wants, then your chance of failure will be 100%. So start by collecting questions, requirements, pain points, and future possibilities asked by your targeted audience. If you have analyzed your competitors and targeted audience, then your product can at least survive in the market for a few years. Business is the process of innovation and improvement. If you see some profit and interest of your customers, then always try to upgrade your product or service on a yearly basis. After market research, you can start beta testing of your product or services with your close ones or the people who take interest in your business. Don't worry about failure or any negative comments or feedback. Just ask questions, talk to experts, and find the solution for it. If people find interest in your product or service, then it's a green signal for your startup. Now, let's move forward for the business planning. Business planning is very important if you want to run your business for lifelong. Some people or entrepreneurs choose to not write a business plan. If you want to apply for a business loan, then you have to write a business plan. Investors and banks ask for business plans before lending money for your business. Make sure to add your business goals about the product or services, marketing, strategy, and revenue models for your business. Investors only want to know the value of your business idea, unique points, and how your business will make money. If you cover these 3 points wisely, then anyone can lend money in your business. If you're a beginner and don't want to take risks, then apply for government schemes, startup grants, and some low-interest loans for your business. Look for angel investors and venture capitalists to attract external investment. Did you know that most businesses fail during the first 3 to 5 years? The reason behind this is the lack of interest in hidden factors of business. There are 5 things that you must learn and implement in your new business. The first thing is cash flow management. Learn the basics of how you can monitor your income, expenses, and always maintain liquidity. The second thing is how you are going to handle customer relationships and negotiation outcomes. Hidden profits lie in repeat customers, so learn the method. The third thing is how you adapt market changes, new trends, technologies, and customer behaviors. The fourth thing is taxation, legal requirements and sudden costs in all situations. Make sure to take expert advice before taking any decision. Even register your business by taking legal advice to avoid any troubles. The last thing is the decision-making skills. Always focus on data and output that you get. Don't go for emotional-based decisions at the starting stage. Work on data, graphs, and possibilities. If you make the right decision, then no one can hurt your business. Now, let's talk about branding and marketing. You can start with memorable brand names and logos. Use the best color combination as per your business industry. Create your digital presence by creating websites and social media pages. At the starting stage, you can leverage the power of video marketing on social media like YouTube and Facebook. Don't invest in paid advertising before learning return on investment data and graphs in your industry. Invest small amounts and test online paid advertising. At the starting phase, most of all, successful businesses took advantage of free marketing on social media sites. Well, business requires time, smart work, and lots of dedication. If you follow it, then you can easily get success in the long run. If your business has required workers or employees, then write down the list of skills required to fulfill your business tasks before hiring employee and staff. Make sure to understand all of the legal requirements for hiring staff as per your state laws. At last, it's time to find the right business operation method and start working on your business. Remember, all of the points that are discussed in this video, it's time to ask your questions in the comment box and start your new business.